In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide embarrassing Steam games from your friends. Steam is a fantastic platform for gamers, but let's admit it, not every game in your library is one you want to show off to the world. Maybe there's a guilty pleasure or two that, for whatever reason, you would rather keep private. Don't worry, I'm here to help you with that. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to make sure you're logged into Steam. Use your credentials to access your account. This is an essential step before making any changes within your account. Now, once you're logged in, we'll begin the process of hiding those games. Next, you'll need to open the Steam app on your Windows computer. Make sure that your app is updated to the latest version so there are no technical hiccups along the way. Now, navigate over to the Library tab within the app. This is where all your games are housed, like your personal vault of video game adventures. The next step is to select the game that you want to hide. In your library, choose any game that you think might need a little privacy and click on it. Once you've selected a game, right-click on it to open up a list of options. This will bring up a drop-down menu filled with multiple choices. From this list, choose the option that says Hide this game. Click it, and a couple of options will appear for you. You'll have the opportunity to both make the game private and hide it, which provides extra layers of privacy for you. You can opt for either one or both of these features depending on how discreet you want to be about your gaming preferences. Once you've hidden your game, you might wonder how you can view it again if you decide to play it or just want to revisit it. To do this, go to the top of your library and click on the View button. This action will reveal a Hidden Games option among the list available. Clicking it will take you to a section where all your hidden games reside. It's like your secret stash, fully accessible when needed, but out of sight from curious eyes. With this setup, you can now manage your gaming library and opt for discretion where needed. Your friends or anyone who has access to your account won't see these hidden treasures, and you can enjoy your secret games without any worry. Keep this in mind whenever you're adding new games to your library. That's all there is to it. I hope this guide was helpful in giving you the peace of mind and privacy you were looking for. Thanks for tuning in, and happy